What's up, family? What's up? Welcome back to Family Time with the Plenties. Hey man, check this out. We out here getting some snow. It's coming down now. They sent us home early from work today. Make sure everybody's safe. Definitely appreciate that, for sure. Y'all check this out. And we thank him for the snow. Ain't that nice? We got snow! Yeah, man, we'll catch up with y'all later. Alright? Welcome back, family, to Family Time with the Plenties. I'm Mark, back here again. As y'all can see, I'm outside in the snow right now, getting some of this good old footage for y'all. Getting all this snow down here in Virginia right now. It's cold outside, you hear me? Cold. But anyway, I'm gonna get back with y'all later. I'm gonna step on in the house because I'm actually starting to freeze a little bit. So see y'all later.
Hey family, look at this. You guys, we put a 12-inch ruler out there. And look at the ruler, y'all. It's almost filled to the top. It's almost, the snow is, I should say, the snow is almost coming up to the top of that 12-inch ruler. This is how much snow we got. Oh my gosh. Love you, family. Family.
What's happening?
We back, y'all. You're with Princess
Mark.
And
Raya back there.
Rabo. Yeah, she back there, y'all. She's mesmerized, I think, right now at this point by the snow. Yeah, we're out, you guys, and it's snowing. We just braved the weather to go to Walmart to pick up just a little bit of stuff. We really didn't have to get the stuff, but we went on and just came on out just to get the experience. Yeah, husband, what you gotta say about this snow though?
Bring on the blizzard, you hear me?
Woo-wee.
Bring it on.
Yes. It's been snowing since last night, y'all. Let me let y'all see what we talking about. Look at this. So we out now, and when we came out of Walmart, I don't even know if y'all can see us good. But I'm about to roll the window down. Oh, my Lord. Y'all look. Oh, my goodness. Okay. But, yeah, we're in the parking lot. We're riding through the parking lot of Walmart. And it's snowing. It's so pretty, y'all. Y'all can't even get the gist of it here. But, yeah, we just wanted to let y'all know what we were doing in the snow, okay? We're enjoying the snow. Yeah, we can't believe it. We just can't believe it. We can't believe it. Listen, we put I think I told y'all in another clip, but yeah, our 12-inch ruler that we put in the snow is basically completely covered. So we have gotten at least 12. We got 12 inches at least last night, and we're getting more snow now, and it's coming down heavy too. I mean, it's cold. It's real cold in Virginia. It's cold. Look, y'all, we're in a parking lot. Nobody's here. That's PetSmart over there. But yeah, nobody's here in our parking lot of our little store, I guess you would say, shopping center. Yeah, the shopping center that we usually shop at. Hey, slow down. Come on now, you don't want to eat it. Slow down. We got to take our time in this snow. We just thinking about people speeding in the snow, babe.
They're gonna see what it's about when they go hit that 360, spin around, hit somebody curb or run into somebody's mailbox or hit some of these bushes out here.
Yes.
They're gonna learn. Like I said, there's a lot of new drivers on the road too, so
yes,
they don't know about this snow. It's not a game.
I agree. It's not worth it. Right, you trying to say something? I heard you say daddy. What's up, baby?
Daddy.
That's right.
What's up, family? About how we saw just trying to have some fun in the snow speeding around last night.
Yeah, so last night in the parking lot, we saw a guy, young lady, whoever it may have been, doing donuts in the parking lot in the snow. So
Might be fun.
You already know the young kids. They just trying to have a good time, but
Yeah. Yeah, but they gotta be
That's it.
careful. Yeah, they gotta be careful too. Like Daddy said, we understand they enjoying the snow too. These young drivers out here, but they just gotta be careful because it's not worth it to slide into anything, and you don't know what could happen. Car damage is one thing, but damage to yourself, that's a whole nother ball game. But yeah, y'all, it's just so pretty. We're really amazed at how much snow we have gotten in Virginia. We're like we're closer to like, we're not, some people think that, you know, Virginia's like, oh, you always get snow, but we're not up in the mountains. We're in the area of Virginia that doesn't usually get snow. So for us, it's
Special.
yeah, it's special. It's a huge deal. Yeah, so we'll pick y'all up soon. And we just gonna jump in and out. Let me let y'all see this neighborhood. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. It's so much snow, y'all. Look at the trees and the snow. It looks like the movie It's a Wonderful Life. Trees in the snow. Alright. Well, listen. We're gonna jump in and out because we're just gonna be enjoying these snow days with y'all. If y'all don't mind coming along with us on these snow days, right, Daddy? We're gonna enjoy.
right. Just trying to park.
Yeah, Daddy's trying to make sure we park safely. We won't want to slide.
All right, y'all. Well, it's been nice, been good. We'll see y'all in a little bit.
See y'all in a little bit.
Make sure y'all keep up though. All right.
Yeah, keep up with the planners, please, because we in and out there. We in and out. Hey, family. Look at all the snow, y'all. Day 2. Oh, y'all ain't see y'all not watching my husband back up right now in the middle of the road. Yep. Lord, he back and look at him, y'all. Guilty as charged. Yeah, y'all.
Gotta do what you gotta do, folks.
Yo, we back in the snow streets, y'all. Back in the snow streets. Yes. Snow vlogging. That's what we doing today, y'all. Snow vlogging. We just running some errands, y'all, in the snow, taking advantage of this time that Daddy's off work. As y'all can see, we're heading to the post office. But look at all the snow, y'all. Look at the neighborhood.
A lot of people have houses right next to the post office.
So we just want to jump in, family. Hey, family. Sorry about that. We just wanted to jump in and say hi to y'all real quick. We're out and about once again in the snow vlogging. And we just wanted to jump in and say hi. This is what we're doing on our snow days, taking advantage of the time that Daddy's off work. As y'all can see, I'm all bundled up because it is really cold. It's really cold outside. So, but yeah, we're going to jump in here and take care of our business.
Mom.
And yeah, right.
You should find those icicles up there if you can.
I know, it's crazy. I'm gonna show the family. Yes, these icicles are crazy. They look dangerous. These icicles. But yeah, y'all, we're taking advantage of this time off that Daddy is home. So we just wanted to jump in and say, hey, what's up? But yeah, we're out and about, y'all, running some errands. So we might pick you guys up when we get to Walmart or the other stores we're headed to. But we love y'all. We see you in a bit. Hey, family. I don't know if y'all can see those icicles at the top of the building here, but yeah, that's better. Araya really wanted to make sure you guys could see this. It's crazy, y'all. It's really crazy. Like, it's really cold out here too. And then look at that's the ground. So you got to be careful when you're walking in and out of these buildings. But yeah, it's pretty icy. It's icy out here, y'all. Right, you want to say anything about it?
No.
Yeah, she just wanted to show y'all that, y'all. We'll catch y'all back up in a bit.
Hey. Welcome back to Family Time with the Plenties.
Woo!
I'm Mark.
I'm Princess.
And I'm Mariah.
And we're back again with another video.
Yes.
Check this out.
Hey.
Listen, let's get all the house rules and house announcements, everything out the way at the beginning. If you like our content, please like, comment, and subscribe.
Please.
Also, give us a what? Thumbs up. We greatly appreciate you guys for tuning in, watching us, looking at our content. And listen, today we got a nice one for you guys today. Y'all know we like playing games.
Hey, it's a snow day too, though.
And it's a snow day. So
hey.
we snowed in.
Mm-hmm.
We snowed in. So listen, we got some good games for you guys. And we're just going to have some fun today. You know, being in the house, being snowed in, whatever the case may be. We're going to spend some time together and have some fun. So here we are.
Here we are, y'all.
You got something to say?
I mean, I agree with everything my hubby said. And this is exciting because we're super stoked. We got snow outside, okay, y'all? So we just wanted to share how we are spending our snow days with you all. As you well know, we are snowed in by now. Y'all know that by now. And we'll have a few clips before this, let you guys know how we spent our snow days. And we just chill, basically. We just chill, y'all. So, yeah, enjoy a snow day family game with the Plenties.
Yes, sir. All right, you got something to say?
Yup.
Say it.
Hey.
We are so happy that y'all watching our video right now. And we just want to tell y'all that we appreciate you for watching our videos. Like, share, and subscribe. We love y'all.
Love y'all.
Love y'all. Woo. Hey, family. Hey, welcome back. Welcome back. So, you guys, as we explained before, we're going to play a family game. We are about to play.
It's the bathroom.
Okay.
Back at it. Keep going.
Okay, right just left us. We're about to play musical chairs. Do y'all remember that, y'all? The last time I think I played musical chairs, like besides with Araya, it was in elementary school. How about you?
It's been a while.
It's been a while, so I hope I'm making y'all feel some nostalgia. All the 80s babies, okay? Because I know y'all remember musical chairs and even beyond that.
And it's more tissue.
So yeah, Araya is hilarious. So y'all, we're about to play musical chairs after Araya finishes her bathroom, whatever break. Yeah, exact. Thank you, husband. After she finishes her bathroom break, we're about to play musical chairs. So when we come back, that's what y'all gonna see. All right, family.
See you in a little bit.
Hope y'all ready for the ride. Love y'all. All right. Go ahead, Ray. What's this?
Oh, I just say hey.
Okay. All right, y'all. It's musical chairs time. Let's get it. Let's go. Woo! Who gonna get it, y'all? I'm scared. Hey. Child, let me just get me a chair. I want a chair, Daddy. You want a chair? I'm nervous. So that means, look at the king, y'all. The king got the first chair.
And Dingo got the second chair.
All right, yeah. We got to start over. Did you just hit the play button?
What? No.
Or just play by yourself?
No, you were squishing me, so I couldn't go there.
Oh, we good. Okay.
You know it plays by itself.
Exactly. All right, I'm sorry, y'all. But Robert, Daddy got the first chair. Look at the king.
Yeah.
All right, we're come over there. Oh, go ahead. You want to say something? Tell me.
And Dingo got the second chair.
Yeah, so that means that Robert's still in, and Mommy is out for this first round. So let's see who gets it, y'all.
Mommy, you be doing good though. You be keeping it on and stuff.
You so sweet. All right, so now family, it's gonna be between Daddy and Araya. Let's see who gonna get the last chair. Hey,
you make it fun just like Daddy.
You make it fun. All right, let's go.
Your turn, Cozy.
Woo! Woo! Yep. Let me get out the way. Go, y'all. Go, y'all. Who got it?
Cozy did.
Oh my gosh. Cozy got it, y'all. Cozy got it. Look at that. Oh, don't feel so sad.
Daddy, y'all do good.
We can be glad. All right, family. So we got to start this thing again. Let's get it. Let's go. But we got to bring the other chair in. All right, hold on, y'all. We'll be back. Woo! We'll be back, y'all. Hey, family. We back. 2, part 2 of musical what?
Cheers!
Hey, all right, let's get it. Woo! I don't know, y'all. I hope it's in the game. I want to be out of the game. Daddy's trying. Oh, hit this thing, no. Oh my gosh. Okay, first of all, I'm so excited because this is round 2, y'all, and I didn't get out. Like the first round, I was just done for. Daddy is so funny. Daddy just fell out. All right, so we about to go another round for round 2.
Oh, that was so funny.
Man, that was hilarious. All right, so this is the second leg of round 2.
Second leg.
Second leg. So
Ready?
Yes, me and Rara. It's me and Rara. You ready, baby girl? Let's do this, girl. 5, 4, 3, 2.
Natal's gonna go with us, actually. What?
Keep going.
Technical difficulties.
Nutella versus mommy.
Her Nutella. Oh my gosh, excuse me. Her Nutella. Oh my gosh, Lord have mercy. Okay, her Nutella, aka Araya, she won. You won, right? You need to do a celebration dance.
Huh?
You
Celebrate.
do it.
And
1,
go.
2, 3. Oh, hey, celebration dance for Rara. Celebration dance for Rara. Woo! Hey, all right. Round 3, y'all. We'll be right back. Out. All right, family, be back for round 3. What's it gonna be? All right, let's hit it. You ready, Rara?
Yeah.
Let's go.
That's fine. I think.
Some
Yeah.
pause.
Oh, it's on pause. All right, we're coming, y'all. Technical difficulties.
Again.
Oh, there we go. Ooh, child. Don't hit the chair. Don't hit the chair.
My dad gonna keep hollering.
I know, right? We cannot hit the chairs. Oh, Dad, we boom boom.
That's
We bum bum, we bum bum, hey, we bum bum, we bum bum. Don't hit the chairs, man. Oh! I got me one. I got me a chair. Marie got you a chair.
Yay.
Sorry, Daddy, but not sorry. We got our chairs.
Dad, we are sorry.
Rara, sorry, she's so sweet. I am too a little bit. I want all of us to win. But I'm really happy that I got me a chair, Daddy.
All good. You win some, you lose some.
But you live.
To fight another
Another day.
day.
All right, y'all. So it's me and Rara. Daddy, take a chair away. Take a chair away. Take a chair away.
It's actually you and yogurt.
Child, I gotta go get yogurt.
Yeah.
Browns with smogurt. I don't know about that, y'all. Y'all pray for me. I'm gonna get yogurt.
Yogurt is strong too.
Okay.
Just like you.
All right. Let's get it though. Oh.
You thought that was
I did. I know that.
they be tricking us.
Oh! That's not fair, man. I'm tired of these stuffies. These stuffies.
So I want to include them
These
too.
stuffies keep beating us.
Hey y'all, family, I just want to let y'all know, pray for the babies. All of them feel sick today.
Man, these stuffies keep beating us. I don't know. We might have to like change the rules. It might just need to be all humans. We leave the stuffies out. Baby, what you think?
Here's the thing, guys.
Yes, speak, husband. Please speak.
We're not playing for us. We're playing for her.
Hey!
So whatever she likes and wants to do, that's what we're gonna do.
Stuffy
period.
Central.
So if Stuffies galore
Yes.
is in the game and winning, that's what we're gonna do. Okay?
Yes. Stuffy Central.
So you ready to pick up round 4?
Yes. Y'all want some more?
Let's go.
Round 4?
Hold on, can I say something?
Let's do it. Oh, go ahead.
Give a shout out to Dingo because I think he feels sick because we're out in the snow. So pray for him.
All right, y'all. Round 4. Let's go. Woo! Hey.
Don't be going low.
Hey.
Going low.
Daddy going low. Daddy going low. We going slow. We going slow. Daddy going low. 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 Oh my God! This is crazy! This is crazy! This is crazy! Oh my gosh, that was the most intense round. That was so intense because the songs just kept going forever and ever. Oh my gosh.
And we're chasing each other.
Yes. Because after a while, we were like, okay, listen, the song going to end at some point. The song has to end. Daddy, what you got to say? Oh my Lord. Lord, I'm sorry, y'all. I know we're very dramatic as we are, but that was intense. Because I just feel like the song will not stop playing. Oh my Lord. I think we moving on to round 5 and we still alive, Bye. You ready?
Yeah.
I think we need a little break. You need a break, right?
Yeah.
We'll be back, y'all. We need a break.
No, I ain't gonna hit the front.
Okay. All right, y'all. Whew. We done moved on to round 5. We still alive. Listen, if y'all want a good musical chairs playlist, just Google it or just YouTube it, I should say.
Type it in.
Because this one has us going crazy. We were literally all like losing it. Like, oh my gosh, when is the music gonna stop? Are we gonna get a chair?
And it's a good groove too.
Yeah, the groove is nice. All right, so Daddy is ready. So you ready, Ryan?
Yeah.
Okay, me and Ryan, we gonna battle it out. I think this might be the last round. Let's do it. Round 5, we still live, chat. That's it. Baby. Stuff, we gonna get it. Hey!
Let me tell you something.
We nervous. We don't know. Hold on, right? Let's focus. Oh! Oh, wait a minute.
Ouch.
Wait a minute.
Oh,
it might be a tie. It's a tie. It's a tie.
Yeah.
It's a tie, y'all. Because Mommy sat down the same exact time as, what's your baby name?
Ocean.
As Araya Stuffy Ocean. Oh my gosh. So me and Ocean, we both won the 5th round. All right, y'all. Hey. All right, so I think, do we have another round left on our own time? So Daddy can get in the game again?
Mommy.
You good? Is there more time left?
There's more time left, but I think we did enough rounds.
Okay. So I think we're done now. We done did enough rounds. As Daddy said, let me see what we got going on. Okay. All right. You good on that? So I think Daddy's done with you on one of more rounds of musical chairs.
You want to play some more?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to do another round. All right, that is so hilarious.
Mommy.
So we need to bring in another chair. Yes, right.
Ocean's head got squished.
Oh, bless his heart.
Thank you so much. Now he has to go to the hospital to get surgery.
That is the casualties of musical chairs. You might get sat on. Sorry, Ocean. All right, Stuffy Ocean got sat on by me. Sorry.
And his head.
All right, round 6. Let's see what Daddy's gonna try to fix. Cause he been out of the game for like 3 rounds.
Mommy, Daddy's trying to get back in.
Yep, let's see.
Oh, everybody already gone.
Hey. Okay. I hope we get a check. Oh, I got a check. I can't believe I got a check. We love you, Rod, but we Mama Daddy. Hey, King and Queen love. Hey. All right, let's hit stop. All right. Listen, the musical chairs music ain't playing with us. It's gonna keep going. Babe, you in there. Give us a love. You give them a love. All right, round 6, we won't fix. They done fixed it. All right. So now we're moving on to round 7 all the way to heaven. Let's move a chair. Because Daddy is in there. All right, beautiful girl. You want hook us up with some music, or you want Daddy to do it?
Play button.
You hit the play button for Mom and Daddy. All right, we ready, y'all. Wait for the music. Hey. The king and the queen. Let's see who gonna get this king. The king and the queen. Let's see who gonna get this king. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh my gosh. Woo! Hot tamale! Hot tamale! Yeah! Woo! I got it! Right, hit the music, hit the music, hit the music. That's for the next round. Ah! That's not letting me do it. That's so funny. Right, trying to do the music. Oh my gosh, y'all. Okay, so I won round 7 all the way to heaven. Right, you wanna play it some more or are you good?
No.
Okay, we're gonna go one more round. Round 8 is gonna be what?
Wait.
8. It's gonna be great. We can't wait. Oh my Lord. Yes, I see you. You so funny. I know. Oh! Run for your life! Run for your life! Run for your life! Run for your life! Okay, Daddy, look! For 5 years there was a chair available. Oh my gosh, let's stop. Y'all, this is so funny. Because like I sat down, but this chair was available for like at least 30 seconds. I was trying to get Daddy her and get in it. But him and Rara don't feel along acting crazy. Oh my gosh, who got it? What's his name?
Dingo got it.
I tried to get you back in the game, Daddy.
Hello.
Dingo got it. Dingo got it. All right, y'all. Round 9, feeling fine. All right, y'all. Let's do it. Let's do it. Family, are y'all ready? Who you think? Oh! Come here, Yoker! Oh! Oh! Be careful! Don't slip! Don't slip! Don't bust your lip! Don't slip! Don't trip! Okay. Yoker got it first! Yep, alright, Stuffy, Yoker got it first. Yoker got it first, child. Yoker got it first.
You're ready for a new.
Alright, so we're gonna do. I think we're gonna do one more round with all of us. Y'all ready? This is gonna be the last round. Y'all ready? Alright, we'll be back, fam. We're gonna do one more round. One more round.
Hey, family, welcome back to the final round of musical chairs. Listen, this last round will determine who wins the trophy, who wins musical chairs
Forever.
forever
Forever.
until we play again.
Until we play again.
You know, they'll hold the trophy till then. So, sit back, family. We're going to roll with this one. All right?
Hey, let's get it and let's go.
Everybody.
Oh my gosh. Is this one? Ah! Woo! Oh gosh. Hello.
Oh shit! It's Dingo!
Woo! I'm scared. I don't know. Woo! Woo!
The babies are out!
Oh my gosh, the king and queen. We won it. I'm sorry, man. I'm so sorry. I'm so hyped up. Okay, yeah, let's listen.
Wait, there's another round?
Okay. That's it, right? That's it.
All right, next round. Let's go.
Another round?
We got to finish it out.
Look.
I thought we just won the last round.
Look.
One person got to win. 2 people can't win.
Oh, Daddy is right. So now me and Daddy have to battle. So right, you gonna be our DJ, okay? You'll be our DJ. Woo, yeah, the king. Okay, the king and queen are battling out for this last round.
Let's go.
Daddy's ready. Don't know. I'm nervous a little bit. I'm nervous. Woo! If y'all seen the look Daddy just gave me, okay? If y'all seen that look, press pause right. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. No, for real, thank you. Yes. Oh my gosh. Okay. First of all, Daddy did amazing. I can't believe I'm sitting in this chair because That was the final round, y'all. Oh my goodness, y'all. That was musical chairs with the plenties. I'm happy that I won the last round, but that was amazing. What do you have to say, husband?
Listen, y'all. I don't know why she always asks me what I got to say. All right. I want her to say what she got to say. Keep talking. I'll jump in when I need to jump in.
Amen.
Right, did you have fun?
Yes, so much fun.
Yeah?
Yeah.
We'll play it again later.
We are going to play it again. Yes.
Because we got to defend and grab this title from Mommy.
Oh, it's like that, y'all? So wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Okay, so what that means is my baby girl and my husband, they want a rematch.
Yeah.
And guess what?
It's fun.
I'm up for the challenge. Rematch is coming soon. Part 2. Musical chairs. Family, I hope you be there.
What you gonna say, right?
I have to say, we're all here to have fun. We're all here to enjoy ourselves.
Amen.
And this is not a serious competition.
No.
We're here to have fun and not act creepy. And we're gonna have a wonderful time playing with a rematch if we do a rematch.
Yeah.
So that's how we're gonna do it.
That's right.
That's right. And family, seriously, on a serious note, we love y'all so much. We just want to thank y'all for coming along on this journey with us once again. Thank you so much for joining Family Time with the Plenties. We love y'all so much.
We love y'all. And always remember to like, comment, and subscribe to what? Family Time with the Plenties.
And please stay.